Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I know what Mama Joan said. The way it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, today I'm gonna make a simple little dish, like a stew peas, but you know what? It's gonna take a little time to cook because guys, I am using some fresh peas, you know, like some fresh red kidney beans, and I'm not using anything from the can. So the kidney bean that I'm gonna use, it's gonna take about 2 hours to cook. So anyway guys, this is my bean that I'm going to use, my red kidney bean here, and then I'm gonna put 3 cloves of garlic in it. So that's it, just as simple. And then guys, I'm gonna use some salt beef and some fresh stew beef to make this stew peas here. So guys, I'm gonna get my peas washed and then get into making the dish. This is what I'm using. I'm using 1 3/4 cups of red kidney beans. Okay, I like to use the red kidney bean because you know it's red, and then it make the stew, it give it stew peas a nice color. When I say give it a nice color, I mean it give it a nice color, darling. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wash this first before I cook it. Okay. Here is the peas. Okay, and over here I have my salt beef and my beef. I am boiling this to boil the salt out of it. So I did it 3 times. I did it 2 times already just to speed up the process, but I boiled this 3 times for 15 minutes. Yeah, no, 10 minutes each boil. It needs 10 minutes each boil. Because you need to boil the salt out of it. Because I know salt beef is very salty. And you don't want the salt, so you have to boil it. So I boil mine 3 times because I have high blood pressure and I really can't take the salt thing. You know what I'm saying? So guys, boil it about 3 times, you know, for about 10 minutes and get the salt out of it. Okay? So that's it guys. So when this is it upon the 3rd boil now. So after the 3rd boil now, when the peas boil up, then I'm gonna throw it on the peas and then I'll come right back at you. So guys, I have like a half a cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of cornmeal. Cornmeal is optional. I like cornmeal in my flour, so I put the cornmeal in there. Okay guys. So Papa Harry is gonna knead this for me now and make the spinach. Papa Harry finished make the flour for me to make the winners. So I'm just gonna make them now and put them in the pot, okay? Guys, this is some scallion, some thyme, and a small onion. Okay, so that's my seasoning. You guys know, okay, get this a stir. Rice a bubble up over there, so okay, let's give this a stir, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of powder seasoning in there. Gonna put some spicy pepper melody. And I'm gonna get my Scotch bonnet. Don't worry. Where the hell is it? Okay. I don't know, my favorite, my spirit tree Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh. So I'm gonna stir this now and leave this fish simmer. Turn down my fire. Cook my dumpling, cook my seasoning. Okay. Guys, if you want, you guys can cut up a tomato and put in there also too, eh? Okay. But the tomato is optional, but you can put it in there. The stewed peas, you know, give it a good stir. The smell of it make you wanna slap your papa. I'm slapping the mama up in here. Anything I get slap up in here, papa. Okay? Alright. Now I come to the finishing cook of the stew piece. It take me around 3 hours because as I said, I put the piece of oxtail in there and it was tough. So I got my rice ready and my stew piece is ready. So guys, now I'm coming to the end of cooking the stew piece. I'm gonna plate it and Papa Harry is gonna be the taste tester today. Okay guys? Alright, so there you go guys, my stew piece and rice. Okay, and come to the end of making the stew piece. Papa Harry gonna be the taster. So guys, I like you to like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification belly things of mine so that you don't miss a post when I post. Okay guys, so let me get a fork for Papa Harry and then him I go do the tasting.
Okay guys. Yes, this look like Mama Joan face.
Really?
Yeah. So I can't say stew peas are my thing. Love stew peas gone to bed. Worst when Mama Joan make it are the greatest thing. I'm going to just taste a little bit of the stew peas.
This make you wanna slap your papa.
Don't slap papas.
Listen, my youth, there is no
Okay.
slapping our mama up in here. Slapping your papa.
This one make you slap your papa. Even though papa don't want no slap, but if mama say him forget slap, him I forget slap. Because all the things said, slap, slap, slap. But this make you have to slap your papa, as what she say. But I taste in the flavor all over the place. Nice and spicy. It tastes a little oxtail here, it tastes a little stew peas here, and it tastes a little Try it with some rice. Guys, talk about smell. You smell the all of the season. The aroma just nice. Best meal you can ever eat is stew peas when Mama Joan cook it. Guys, you must try this.
Okay.